Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making authentic Baja fish tacos, alright? Now we're doing this in collaboration with my boy Lyle at No Hippie Barbecue. We're doing another collab because you know, me and him are boys. He's been a mentor to me in the game. So if you want to stick around and see how this is done, you'll get to see these authentic Baja fish tacos, alright? If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you, thanks for coming by. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. We do a lot of good cooking on here, we have a lot of fun doing it, so make sure you do it and stick around, okay? Come on back, we'll go over how we're gonna make these fish tacos, alright? Come on back. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Nice, crispy. Delicious. Alright guys, we're gonna go with the ingredients. We have some Alaskan cod filet that we're gonna slice up. Little queso fresco, little corn tortillas that we're just gonna grill up on the stove. Little Old Bay for our beer batter. Of course, you need beer for the beer batter, cornstarch, and flour. Alright, come on back, let's put this thing together. Alright guys, we're back. We're gonna make the beer batter for our Baja tacos, shrimp tacos. So we're gonna do about half a cup of flour in here, just about a tablespoon of cornstarch, just makes it a little more crispier. Throw a little bit of Old Bay in there, just a little flavor. I don't know. We got 2 beers here. Got 1 beer for the beer batter and 1 beer for the chef. So, cheers. All right, 1 more drink. Good stuff. All right, now we're just gonna whisk a little of this beer in here. It's gonna get a little foamy, no big deal. We want a pretty good thick batter, so don't pour the whole bottle in until you know you need it. Okay, whoa. Put a little bit over here. Okay, we want it a little bit heavier consistency than like pancake batter. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get this stirred up, let the foam kind of die down a little bit, and we'll start dipping and frying. Come on back. All right guys, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and get these going. We're gonna put these in slowly. You wanna let the oil come to temp on the batter so it fries around it, builds that layer of crunchification. All right, these are gonna go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Throw them in some tacos. When we come on back, we'll try these bad boys. Come on back. All right, guys, we're gonna take out this little last batch of fried fish. All right, I'm gonna put it on this paper towel. You wanna let it drain the oil a little bit. But the first thing you wanna do is take your R2D2 salt shaker and shake it like a salt shaker. All right, so that's it. We're gonna go ahead and get these in a taco shell. And we'll do a little taste test. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna build up these tacos right here. A little piece right there. What? Fresh Alaskan cod. Right. Do a little cabbage. I don't like a lot of cabbage. It's just for looks. All right. A little queso fresco. All right. A little bit there. A little bit there. All right, I'm gonna purdy this up. Come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, we're back. We got our beautiful, fresh fish, Baja fish tacos. All right, listen, authentic way. Put your crema on it. CJ's way, no crema. All right, just got our queso fresco, our fresh fish, and our cabbage. All right, so I'm gonna try this. Good stuff. Lyle, I know you made a dope one like this too. Probably not as good because, you know, I'm closer to the ocean, so my fish is fresher. I think so. You know what? For a homeboy that don't like fish, that's pretty damn good. All right? Real easy to do, not real hard. Again, you can use a pot instead of a fryer. Put your oil in, make it at 350. Do your fish 4 to 5 minutes. All right? Go check out my boy Lyle at No Hippie Barbecue. His link is down below. I appreciate you bringing me in on another collaboration, buddy. You know you're a big mentor to me, and I really do appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna finish my beer. Cheers. I'm gonna finish these tacos. We'll call it a night. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.